Hello YouTubers, and today I am going to do a double review. I'm going to do the fourth Sonic screwdriver and the third Doctor's. Now I've just got a bit to say before I do the actual review, which is I did tell you I was going to Disneyland Paris, and on the weekend afterwards I did get the fourth Doctor's Sonic screwdriver, and I was supposed to review it on Saturday. But I didn't have time, so I was supposed to do it on Sunday. I didn't have time because I had to do quite a bit of homework lately. Also, if you watch my How to Do a Dalek voice without a ring modulator review, you know I told you that I was using a different microphone. Well, I've gone back to the same old one I've been using because it's just better. And hopefully I'll try and get this better quality videos. Alright, so on with the review. Okay, so I'll start with the third Sonic screwdriver, and I will show you packaging. Just a quick look, not particularly much to see except at this little card which shows the third Doctor's theme for, well, he didn't get a different one until his final year in 1973 or 4. So yeah, that's a quick look at packaging. Anyway, on with the review. So let me just say, when I first got this, the detail was absolutely amazing. Apart from it has 4 lines on there, but I really like the shape of this. I also like the fact that it also has a little cutout here, the little boards on there, and they've even kept the little dots on there. The thing I don't like, well, hear it. And just to show you while it's down, the little reaches on there which are black, and you've got this piece here which is red and quite thin actually. Under the top is flexible. Anyway, the bad thing is it does the 11th Doctor's Sonic screwdriver sounds. Slightly more powerful because it doesn't light up or anything. And just so you know, if you try and use a screwdriver that's too big for the batteries, you're gonna get a slight tiny little mark on it. So, apart from that, you've got the lines going down here, black lines, and you've got the black bit at the top. I had to actually find that out on the internet. I knew it had a black cutout down there, and I knew about all of this, but John Perry always held it sort of like that, and then you would press down until you couldn't see it. And you've got the white line going across as well, and that's where sort of line is that's what looks like better on the fourth one, so see why you can see better on that one. You've got the speaker at the bottom, and it also says a number printed on the bottom, and BBC logos and that. you've got the lines down here, which is to help press it down, but it's easier to press it down here. They've kept the red bit at the top. So if you want it's something which was very decent looking, to be honest, yes, I was going to buy the 4th Dr. Sonic screwdriver replica for £200 if I ever saved up enough money and there was nothing else I wanted. I would have got it. But when I got this, I was thrilled. Well, because it is a very good replica, apart from the top 4 lines on there, and that's just a sticker. And you could guess that, because if they ever released a 4th Dr. Sonic screwdriver like they did, they just took the sticker off, and they did on here where they added it. So anyway, on with the 4th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. The difference is the sticker is off. There's none of these black and white lines apart from that, from there and this one, which goes right around the bottom. So yeah, I like it like this. It's more clean, it's more silver, it looks better. Again, it's the same size. So we didn't get any of the classic sounds. Bit of a pity, but again, it's a very good replica of this. If you wanted a decent looking replica, get this. So amazing. So the differences are this black piece at the top, which the doctor sometimes looked through. And sometimes if you the picture on the box is from the Sontaran experiment on top. And if I just show you the ridges, they are now bigger. Well, not bigger, there's more of them, and you can see where they end. And also, this piece, which was originally red, has now gotten slightly wider, but it's not as tall as this one. Also, the red line has gone as well, and you can see just the start of them ridges, which you can't see on this, and because of that, 4th Doctor's Sonic screwdriver is slightly taller. But really, it did go right down to here, to this bit, really, because when Tom used this piece would go up, that piece would go down. And it was hard to tell where all the sonicking came out of this Sonic screwdriver. John Pertwee always used it like this when he would sonic anything, so we got the idea that the sonic energy in that came out of here. With Tom though, you don't particularly know. He sometimes used it like this, he sometimes used it like that, he sometimes just did that. So it was hard to tell. But then we got the idea that it was this grin all around. And I like it like that because that means it's just sonic energy. Okay, and also very quickly, I will show you the card. And it is worth keeping these. So just hooked up the theme, and I will see you next time, Gary, and goodbye.